Is the Reliance Nippon Life Saral pension plan the right option to secure your financial future during your golden years? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is this policy is about. So this is a single premium, non-linked, non-participating, individual immediate annuity plan. So some of the key features of this policy are: you can make a one-time payment and enjoy a guaranteed lifetime income. You have the flexibility to choose annuity payouts on a monthly, quarterly, half-yearly or yearly basis. There are two annuity options available to suit your unique requirements, and you have the option to surrender the policy upon diagnosis of specified critical illnesses. You can access the loan anytime after 6 months from the plan start date. So these are the key features. Now let's take a look at the benefit available under this policy. So the benefits differ upon the plan option you have chosen. So death benefit is something that the nominee or the legal heir will get on the death of the annuitant, unfortunately during the policy term. So here in this case, if you have chosen option 1, on the death of the annuitant, the annuity payment shall cease immediately. So 100% of the purchase price, that is single premium, shall be paid to the claimant as a lump sum benefit, and this policy will terminate. In case of option 2, on death of either the primary or the secondary annuitant, provided one of them is surviving, no death benefit is payable, but the surviving annuitant shall continue to receive the annuity amount throughout his or her life. On the death of the last surviving annuitant, the annuity payment shall cease immediately. Then 100% of the purchase price, that is single premium, shall be paid to the claimant as a lump sum benefit, and then the policy will terminate. So there is no maturity benefit under this policy. So these are the death benefits under this policy. Now let's move on to the survival benefit, which is the annuity. So in case of option 1, the annuity amount shall be payable in arrear as per the chosen annuity payment frequency throughout the life of the annuitant. And in case of option 2, the annuity amount shall be payable in arrears as per the chosen annuity payment frequency as long as the primary or the secondary annuitant is alive. So these are the benefits of this policy. Now let's take a look at the advantages and disadvantages of investing in the Reliance Nippon Life Saral pension plan. So the advantages are: you may take a loan against your policy anytime after 6 months from the date of commencement of the policy, and you have a hassle-free one-time investment which offers regular income, which can also be considered as a plus. So the disadvantages are: the annuity payments are fully taxable, the annuity is not adjusted for inflation, and you have limited annuity options to choose from. So these are all the disadvantages of investing in this policy. Now let's move on to analyzing the policy, because now we have a basic understanding of this policy. So let us move on to the analysis part of the video. As you can see, this is a single payment scheme designed to provide regular annuity payout. So it may appeal to senior citizens as it offers guaranteed lifetime income in exchange for the retirement corpus. However, evaluating the plan's returns is essential for making an informed decision. That's why, just for an example, consider that a 60-year-old male invests 25 lakhs in this plan under option 1, life annuity with returns of 100% of purchase price RO. So he receives an annual annuity of 1.30 lakhs, and upon his death, the 25 lakhs purchase price is returned to his nominee. So assuming a life expectancy of 85 years, the internal rate of return IRR for this cash flow is calculated at 5.11% as per the Reliance Nippon Life Saral pension plan maturity calculator. So this return is relatively low, and the annuity's fixed nature does not account for inflation. So over time, the purchasing power of the payout erodes, making it challenging to meet rising living and healthcare costs during retirement. A plan with a step-up income would would be better suited to address these challenges. Additionally, annuity plans like this one come with limited liquidity. So once purchased, the invested corpus is locked with access only under specific conditions or upon the policyholder's death. So the low returns, lack of inflation adjustment, and restricted access to funds makes the Reliance Nippon Life Saral pension plan an inefficient choice for retirement planning. So as the return analysis highlights that the policy may fall short of meeting your long-term retirement expenses like post-retirement expenses, let us explore more effective alternative for investing your retirement corpus, offering higher returns and better liquidity. So here we have taken a look at some fixed income options that provide you with regular income similar to an annuity plan but with potentially higher returns. So some viable options include Senior Citizen Savings Scheme SCSS, which offers an 8.20% annual interest rate. Another option is the Bank Fixed Deposit FD, which provide returns between 7 and 8%. There is also RBI floating rate. There are also RBI floating rate bonds to consider, which currently offer 8.05% with a floating interest rate. So while these instruments provide a stable income, they may not address inflation effectively. So to achieve inflation adjusted income, diversifying your portfolio between equity and debt becomes essential. So what we are going to do now is we are going to revisit the scenario of a retiree with a 25 lakh corpus and an initial withdrawal of 1.30 lakhs matching the Reliance plan to give a better strategy for inflation adjusted income. So here the portfolio allocation is 60% to equity and 40% to debt. So 15 lakhs is allocated to equity for long-term wealth growth and 10 lakhs is invested in debt to meet immediate income needs. So assumed returns, equity at 12% per annum, debt at 6% per annum. So the initial annual withdrawal from this is 1.30 lakhs. So annual withdrawals increase by 6% every 5 years to combat inflation. So the rebalancing strategy we are going to use is every 5 years the debt portion is replenished from equity to support annual withdrawal. So by age 71 the equity portion is fully shifted to debt for stability. So at age 85 this strategy approximately has 59 lakhs, more than double your initial 25 lakh corpus, significantly outperforming the Reliance policy. So 60:40 allocation and fund rebalancing timeline is flexible and can be tailored to suit your risk tolerance and financial goals. So this diversified investment strategy demonstrates efficient use of your retirement corpus, providing regular inflation adjusted income and maintaining access to your funds, benefits that the Reliance plan lack. Now what is the final verdict on our analysis? Is the Reliance Nippon Life Saral pension plan worth investing or not? Having a reliable income during a retirement is essential for sustaining your lifestyle and managing unexpected expenses. The Reliance Nippon Life Saral pension plan offers a steady income, but its lack of flexibility is a significant drawback. The plan locks your corpus, limiting access in emergencies or when additional funds are needed for unforeseen expenses. This rigidity makes it unsuitable for addressing the dynamic financial needs of post-retirement life, and it also has a high agent commission. A diversified investment portfolio with proper rebalancing is a smarter alternative to counter inflation and maintain financial stability. This approach can be customized to your specific needs, ensuring your corpus lasts throughout your lifetime and beyond. Unlike a fixed annuity plan, a diversified strategy provides adaptability to meet changing financial goals. So retirement planning is a cornerstone of financial security, but standard annuity plan like this often fall short of addressing diverse retiree needs. So definitely avoid investing in this plan.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.